And welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to install the Kali Linux in VirtualBox. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So here the step-by-step guide to install the Kali Linux on your VirtualBox. So first, just download and install the VirtualBox. So the first thing you need to do is to download and install the VirtualBox from the Oracle's official website. And once you have downloaded the installer, just double click onto it to install the VirtualBox. And after downloading, download the ready-to-use virtual image of the Kali Linux, as you can see here in the photo. So after installing it successfully, just head to the Kali Linux download page to download the VM image for VirtualBox. So if you change your mind about utilizing VMware, that is available too. So as the size file is around 3 gigabytes, you should either use the torrent option or download it using a download manager, whichever is fastest for you. And then next, what you can do is you can install Kali Linux on the VirtualBox. So once you have installed the VirtualBox and downloaded the Kali Linux 7Z image, you just need to add it to the VirtualBox in order to make it work. So here are the steps on how you can do that. So first, just extract the downloaded 7Z file, and you can use the 7-zip to extract the file, and then just launch the VirtualBox and you will notice an add button. So after that, just click on to the add button. And next is you need to browse the folder you just downloaded and extracted. So just choose the VirtualBox machine definition file to be added. So as you can see here in the image, so the file name should start with the Kali Linux and end with the .vbox extension. And once selected, proceed by clicking the open button. So right here, this open button, after you've done this, click onto the open button, and now you will be shown the settings for the virtual machine and virtual machine you are about to add. So you can customize them or not, whatever you want. That is your choice. It is okay if you go with the default settings. So here, the hard drives, as the VDI refer to virtually mounting the hard drives by allocating the storage space set. So after you've done with the setting, just hit the start and just wait for a while. So here is the start button, and then after that, the default username in Kali Linux used to be root and the default password was tour. But since the January 2020, Kali Linux is not using the root account anymore. So now the default account and password are both Kali. So you should be able to log into the system with it. And do note that you should update Kali Linux before trying to install new applications or trying to hack your neighbor's Wi-Fi. So that's it for this video, and remember, you can always pause this video, go back to the video, and follow the steps at your own time. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.